Good morning, viewers. Good morning, musicians. Today, we are here at Manila Cathedral School. I am your host, David Christian Tico Prolac, and this is...
Ako nga po pala si Julian Herosicas at ngayon po ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang core values ng Manila Cathedral School. Humility, excellence, servant leadership, saka stewardship.
And without further ado, let's get right into it.
Sir Ayas, paano nyo po ba yung Manila Cathedral School nahuhubog yung spiritual healthiness ng isang estudyante po?
Yung spiritual growth ng estudyante ay dinidevelop ng Manila Cathedral School sa pamamagitan ng kanilang iba't ibang mga activities katulad ng online mass, Friday devotion, yung mga outreach program, mga retreat and recollection for students. At meron silang mga Christian living subject kung saan tinuturuan sila ng kanilang mga CLED teachers about faith, especially the young ones. Okay.
Salamat po.
Kulang pa, anak? Uulitin natin.
MCS School Tour 2025! Hello! Now that we have done our first interview with Sir Ayas and Sir Samonte, we are now at the Computer Laboratory of Manila Cathedral School. Inside, you will find many students who are immersed in their studies. Let us enter. Now that we are inside, let us interview one of our most dedicated students. Good afternoon, sir. May I ask, what do you use the computer laboratory at MCS?
Ginagamit ko yung computer na to para nagre-research ako about kay Bimbo Aquino.
Is there anything else you can add to the importance of the computer laboratory here?
Pag other student po, ginagamit po ito sa pagtuturo nila sa mga ibang students. Pag may mga assignments sila na yan.
MCS School Tour 2025! I noticed on our way here there were some organizations beside the school. Can you elaborate on those?
Yes, yung katabi kasi ng Manila Cathedral School is the Immaculate Conception Parish, ISICP. Tumutulong sila para sa pagtutulong at katekismo, pati na rin ang mga programa na katulad ng mga charity, katulad ng Caritas, na makikita mo magkatabi lang sila.
I see. Now, sir, forgive me to intrude on your time, but may I ask, how do you find the food?
Great.
Where's your part? MCS School Tour 2025! Currently, here we are at Manila Cathedral School's gym, where many student athletes train. Now, I would like to... What the hell are they doing over there? Look at those student athletes. Now, let's interview what they are doing. Mr. Julian?
Sir. As a student athlete, what are you doing?
Working out.
In the gymnasium? Are the school's gymnasium appropriate for your workout?
It's very nice. It's very nice.
I see. Thank you, sir.
MCS School Tour 2025!
Nakakaligtaan sa madalas na eskwelahan ang kalinisan ng mga banyo, kung gaano ito kabango, or maayos ba ito? Kunyari, gumagana po ba ang mga tubig, mga faucet? Halika po, dito sa MCS, makikita nyo po gaano kalinis ang kanilang mga banyo. Makita nyo po dito. Uy!
MCS School Tour 2025! Now we are here at the other clinic, and may I ask Nurse Maricar, do you think this clinic provides adequate care for its patients?
What? Adequate?
Care po. Like, do you think do you treat the patients
I
with...
cater to non-infectious patients, meaning there should be no cough and colds and fever. Non-infectious and non-contagious.
Do you think this clinic is enough for the students when they are having health problems?
Yes, I think so. It's enough.
Now, for the last question, may nabatay na po ba dito?
Wala pa naman, grabe ka. Wala!
Thank you for clarifying that. Thank you for your time po. And that is all for our tour guide.
MCS School Tour 2025!